No police ka is kasihil wa vibix mula ong balakem ya wayu kena wa khalai snem gerta halo gijing klat I Heprit insa pira lengdo maunai badang saus snem gerta hanong ra nong lom brai silong kat kum bujing ong SP metakas ngi ka khat hinyau tari unai lo ajal pesan unai kena badang khalai snem usa ama jan bar ujulek kai ru haying I Heprit insa pira USP ya tu ba hakajing tokit utai kena wara I Heprit na jirong kenro balayalam siaga Jaka badang sinaying haka Jaka balap igmet yap haka bautei khuna ola Btuid bat bat tan lang I Heprit haka te Jaka badang trei ke balang bat I Heprit insa pira ngam jelop bat kedang USP ong badar jingting bat jingko majing mur uneu khna hadin baya klat haka jing ula sim da umau bat ban ya met jong I bat lai wot saying USP ya thu ru ba haka jing tikit utei khna ola lap ru ya kadin mong hakajat jong u ba pen I ba kadai sia ba Btuid bat lara ya u sia juvenile home bat on bisia da juvenile justice boot kat kum bijing ya thu u ba bibek ka postmortem report ka kadau ba ka jing yap I Heprit kadai nakada ba kadang bat kam don kanu kadang mensaw hakamet USP ong ba kani kalong kat kum bijing lap na ka jing tokit hadu menta ban nakaliang gas special investigation team neke SIT kandang tokit benia shu hal gane kijing jia.
With regard to the death of the 4-year-old girl in Nonglom, Bray, which who also went missing on the 14th, I'd like to give you a point-by-point sequence of the events and what SIT has unearthed so far. So on the 14th of September, information was received by Rinja police station from the father of the girl that she had gone missing, and they had found that she had gone missing at about 8 a.m. in the morning. It was also found that from the family members and the uncle that the girl child was last seen playing in the compound at about 7:30 a.m. within the premises of a house. And when they realized that she had gone missing, all neighbors and locality members, inhabitants of the locality uh, had been alerted, and they began searching. The police immediately rushed to the area, and intensive search was being conducted along with the VDP and dog squad. Uh, on the 14th, I think because of heavy rains and all that, though extensive search was done, the girl child could not be found. It was only on the 15th, the next day at about 8 p.m., that information was received from the father that the child's body had been discovered by a laborer of a construction site, which is about 100 meters from the residence of the girl child. And uh, immediately, DSP Crime Against Women, OC Rinja, had rushed to the place. They had cordoned off the area, and inquest was conducted with the help of the forensic team from FSL Shillong. The body was taken to Negrams, where postmortem examination was conducted, and the body was handed on the 15th only. After the postmortem was conducted, the family members, in particular the father of the child, had filed a complaint. We had registered a case in Raja police station pertaining to murder. Then a special investigation team was set up, headed by SP City, additional SP Ops, DSP Crime Against Women, DSP City, OC Rinja, and one WPSI from Nongman Song. Now, after SIT examined, this has been the third day from the time we had found or recovered the body. Looking at and investigating in these 3 days, and examining many witnesses and looking at all the available evidence which we have actually uh, gathered, we zeroed down on a 13-year-old boy who is a neighbor of uh, the child girl, and who's also a frequent visitor of the house. He was produced before the Child Welfare Committee and examined thoroughly, where he had admitted that on that particular day he had taken that girl child over the wall and taken her through the beaten path, which I think most of you all have seen, and gone to that construction site. According to him, since his feet was drenched with mud, he washed his feet in that there's a cavity or a hollow between the wall and the building and the retaining wall, and that day the water was full. According to him, he had slipped and the girl was close to him. He had pulled the girl along, dragged her while slipping, for which he has injury marks on his feet, and the girl drowned. Out of panic and out of confusion, he placed a stone on the body of the girl child and went home straight. After some time, he came along with his mother to the girl's house, and he found all the relatives of and the parents of the girl child looking for her. While SIT examined him yesterday, it is a fact, and according to him, that he had actually just concocted the black Scorpio without number plate and black men and the masked men, as he had panicked and wanted a distraction. Uh, the postmortem report was received today. The postmortem report says death due to drowning. There is no there's no antemortem injuries. There is no sexual assault, um, and the death was 24 to 36 hours from the time of from the time postmortem was done. So that indicates that the death happened in that place, not in any other place. And he was sent to the juvenile home yesterday for observation. Today, thorough medical examination and several medical tests has been done on this boy. He has been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board, and sit is in the third day of